Now we have seen that this in this hybrid condition, capital T is dominant to small t. So when this condition is present, hybrid condition, when two genes in a pair are dissimilar, then one is able to express itself. Let us see the case here. Now there are three genes. Now out of these three, IA gene is dominant to IO. IB gene is dominant to IO. It means these two genes are dominant to IO and IA and IB are equally dominant. इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर किसी इंडिविजुअल में ये दोनों जीन्स हैं IA तो ब्लड ग्रुप क्या होगा A. अगर ये दोनों जीन्स हैं IA एंड IO तो ब्लड ग्रुप क्या होगा A होगा बिकॉज IA इज डोमिनेंट टू IO. If the genes are IA and IB, so both are equally dominant, both are able to express themselves equally, so blood group will be AB. If this is the genotype, that is the genetic makeup, then individual's blood group will be B. And in this case again, since IB is dominant to IO, the blood group will be B. And in this case, since both the recessive genes are present, the blood group will be O. If the individual has gene IA, then this gene is responsible for production of a protein on surface of RBC, and that protein is called antigen A. If this gene is present in an individual, this is responsible for production of a protein on surface of RBC, and that protein is called antigen B. And IO is unable to produce any antigen. मतलब अगर ये जीन है ये कोई एंटीजन प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता. IA produces this produces this. So let us see if there are four types of blood groups. If blood groups are A, B, AB and O. If the individual's blood group is A, what can be the genotype or genetic makeup of individual? Either the genes can be IA or IA-IO. If this is the genotype, the genetic makeup can be IB-IB, IB-IO. If this is the genotype, then there is only one possible genetic makeup, genotype, IA and IB. For O blood group, this is the possible genotype. If blood group is A, then which antigen is produced on the surface of RBC? A. If blood group is B, antigen produced will be B. If blood group is AB, both the antigens A and B are produced. If blood group is O, no antigen is produced. Now, if there is present A antigen on the surface of RBCs, then in the blood plasma there is present an antibody against A. That antibody is B. If the antigen is B in a person, then उसके blood plasma में किसके against antibody present है? A के against. तभी तो जब हम किसी के एक्सीडेंटल केसेस में या कभी भी जब हम ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन करते हैं तो सबसे पहले पर्सन का जो है ब्लड ग्रुप चेक किया जाता है, ताकि अगर हम A को B ब्लड ग्रुप का ब्लड सपोज ट्रांसफ्यूज कर देंगे तो क्या होगा, A को हम B का ब्लड ग्रुप देंगे तो साथ में हम क्या दे देंगे, एंटीबॉडीज देंगे विच आर अगेंस्ट द एंटीजन A. तो देयर विल बी क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड. इसीलिए हमेशा ब्लड ग्रुप्स पहले मैच करने चाहिए. नाउ ब्लड ग्रुप AB हैज़ नो एंटीबॉडी and blood group O has both the antibodies A and B, that is against antigen A as well as antigen B. तभी O blood group वालों को सिर्फ O blood group का ही जो है वो blood transfuse कर सकते हैं, A और B का नहीं. Now they can donate blood to A blood group can donate blood to A and AB. B blood group person can donate blood to a person with blood group B and AB. AB can donate blood to AB only, and person with O blood group can donate blood to persons with blood group A, B, AB and O. Now let us see from whom they can receive blood. Person with blood group A can receive blood from A and O. B can receive blood from B and O. AB can receive blood from A, B, AB and O, and O can receive blood from only O. So blood group AB is called universal recipient, and a person with blood group O is called universal donor. So these are the terms, and this is all about the blood groups in a person. And you must have also heard that we say the blood group is positive or negative. The blood group is said to be positive if a protein called rhesus protein is present in the blood. Rhesus is a species of monkey, and this protein is found in the blood plasma of monkeys also. इसीलिए हम पॉजिटिव को क्या बोलते हैं, RH फैक्टर भी बोलते हैं. यानी अगर किसी पर्सन का ब्लड ग्रुप ए है और उसमें RH फैक्टर भी प्रेजेंट है, then the blood group of a person will be A positive. A ब्लड ग्रुप है लेकिन प्लाज्मा में RH प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट नहीं है, then the blood group will be A negative. Positive and negative shows simply presence and absence of rhesus factor or RH factor in the blood. Means अगर ये जीनोटाइप है, ये जीनोटाइप तो क्या शो करते हैं कि एंटीजन ए प्रेजेंट है, बी प्रेजेंट है, दोनों प्रेजेंट हैं या कोई भी प्रेजेंट नहीं है. बट प्रेजेंस ऑफ RH फैक्टर मेक्स इट पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. दैट इज इफ RH protein or RH factor is present in the blood plasma, then the blood group is said to be positive. Absence of this factor shows the negativity, that is the negative blood group. That's all about the blood groups.